Godzilla Evolved version 2024 by Shoutout and Bandai. Can't wait to see how this looks. Oh, the package. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa, look at this. Oh my god. This looks sick as hell. Oh, the teeth are a little... Oh yeah, they are a little sharp. Oh my god, this thing looks awesome. Holy shit, man. This looks so cool. Oh my god. This looks super cool. I have no words to describe this whatsoever. Everywhere around him is all so sharp. Holy shit, man. This still looks super sick as hell. Holy crap, dude.